how to get Lovable for free. This is Matt, and you can get a free plan account with Lovable. Currently, I'm right here on one of the main Lovable pages. Now, first things first, I do have an affiliate link in the video description. If you click that link just below this video, you will get some free credits on your Lovable account when you sign up for the free plan. Now, it depends on what Lovable are offering at the time, but check out my link. You'll find yourself on a page like this, or very similar, depending on how Lovable change their pages over time. So very simple, very simply, you can enter your prompt here and just start building. But either way, it will prompt you to get an account. So what we can do is once you click that link, you find yourself here, we will click on Get Started at the top right here. So click on the Get Started button. And now this is how we will sign up for Lovable. So you can start building, you can get your free account. So if you have a Google account or Gmail, you can continue with Google. They've also got to continue with GitHub here, and you can sign in with Apple as well. Or you can go old school and just put your email in there and click continue, and that will create your free account. So this is, like it says here, a free account. They have a essentially free forever free plan. I believe you get 5 credits per day currently with the free plan, which will be enough for most people. If you do want a little something more, you can get one of the pay plans, which I'll show you now. If we head on over to pricing now, I should note that I do have a full video that I'll link in the video description that goes through this pricing in detail, as it can get a little bit complicated. I've got a few different options here. I also have a really detailed Lovable, in fact quite a few Lovable videos where I go into the actual platform, how to make things with Lovable, how to export and all that kind of stuff. So if you want that, I do have that playlist available here on this channel. You can just search my channel for those Lovable videos using the keyword Lovable. So right here on the pricing page, just to show you, you've got the free plan. Discover what Lovable can do for you. That is, of course, a $0 per month, aka free. No credit card needed. You just sign up. You get your 5, so it is 5 daily credits up to 30 per month. You get workspace, private projects, unlimited collaborators, 5 lovable.app domains, and you also get cloud. So you get their cloud-based service as well. So like I say, I've got that pricing video where I go through this in detail, but you also have the Pro plan at 22 per month and the business plan at 44 per month. Those prices are in British pounds. I mostly work in dollars myself, but I'm here in the UK, so I can't actually change that round to show you the dollar prices if you're in the US, but 22 pounds is around $32. So there you go. You can check out my pricing video if you want more detail. There's some freaking ask questions at the bottom, but that is how you get the free plan on Lovable. Whether you're on the pricing page, you click Get Started here or up there, or any of the pages that you're on. Once you click my link, I encourage you to check out the platform, use my link, see what the platform has to offer. You don't know if you need it, if it's the right plan and platform for you until you give it a test drive. So give it that test drive, check it out, see what you can create with Lovable, different sites, different apps, different projects. And if you want to stick around, you can get one of these pay plans, but you don't have to. You can stay on the free plan forever. That is totally cool. Hopefully you found this video useful on Lovable, free plan. And if you have found it informative, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.